Hope you guys are doing your well and trying to create new creative things. On this video, I am going to share an eye with fine line mascara. Firstly, I draw an eye and now trying to make it realistic. By giving shades, I am sketching iris details, and you have seen me creating iris shades in my previous video. Have almost shaded the iris of the eye. Now focusing the white portion of human eye. Drawing the skin. Drawing the eye wing. Drawing the eyelashes. Drawing lower lid eyelashes. Hope you will like this tutorial PLZ like. And subscribe to get new video. Thanks for watching.